Hi, Bert. Good evening. Hello. Oh, there you are. Hi.
Ahorita.
Oh, hello there. And I guess you are walking right now.
Vâng, không có nằm. Không có nằm đâu.
Okay. First, settle down first. Where is the place you want to be? Okay. And how are you today?
I'm fine.
Oh, you're fine. That's good to hear. And did you already eat your dinner today, Book?
Yes.
Oh, that's good to hear. What did you eat for dinner?
Rồi, right.
Oh, we eat rice and meat. Wow, that's so delicious you eat today. Did you go to school today, Book?
Yeah.
Oh, you go to school today. Wow.
Yes.
And yes, you go to school today. And what time did you go to school today? What time did you go to school today? Is it 6 a.m. you go to school?
Mm, I go to the club.
Oh, you go there 6 o'clock. It's so early. Oh, here that. So before we start our lesson for today, Book, I have some question for you to answer. So here, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Oh, you like pizza? And what is your favorite drink?
Let me see.
Oh, you like lemon tea. Wow. And here, wow. Okay, wait. I will. Mm, here. Next one is, what is your favorite color and why?
It is yellow.
Oh, why? Why you like why you like yellow?
Um, because it light.
Oh, it is a light color, I guess. It is a light color. And here, what is your favorite game?
But it is football game.
Oh, you like football game. And here, um, Here, if you could have any superpower, what would it be? Superpower. What superpower you want to possess or you like?
And uh, Celeste,
What? You want to fly?
I like electric.
Oh, electric? You want electric book, is it right?
Yes.
Wow. So interesting power you want to possess. And here, and last is, what is your favorite thing to do? If you have free time or you always do, what you always do there? Book.
Play soccer.
Oh, that is a favorite thing to do. Play soccer. So now, very good book for answering the question I have here about yourself. And now we will proceed to our last activity for today. Okay. So we have here text. Okay. So we have here two large box or two emails. We need to read. So here po, can you read our instruction for this activity? Here, can you read this?
Wrote each sentence. Anna, Fred.
Yes, Anna or Fred. So based on the picture we have here, Pook, what is this place? Here, what is this place? This first picture, what is this place?
A park and a museum.
Yes, a park and a museum. Here, what is this? This place in the upper part. Here, what is this place? It's a beach. So now, oh, go. Are you there? Okay, po, can you hear me po? Okay, there you are. Can you hear me? Can you hear me po?
Yes.
Okay, good job. And here, we will first read the text here below. Okay. So, can you read the first text book, the text one?
Đi bé đi biết làm school. Well, Anna.
Oh, so that's text two. Can you read this?
Đi bên đi là photo. Biết biết me hotel. Red.
Oh, so we already read the text one and text two here, the two emails. So in this question, so we can you read the first question here, book?
Recent of Anna. Email she's doing English. Recent of Fred. Email he as the beach.
Oh, so which text that tells us she's studying English? Anna, which text? Is it text 1 or text 2?
Is text 1.
Very good. It is text 1. And the second one is, what text is it?
Is Fred
Yes, that's right. What text? 1 or 2?
2.
Very good. It is text 2. Very good book for identifying which one entails the information there. Oh, so here, so we have here a conversation between Ben and oh, Anna and Fred. So you will be I will be Anna and you will be the Fred. So are you ready, Pook, for the conversation they have here to read? Okay,
Yes.
you are the B and I will be the A. So first I will go in first. We've been here since Monday and I can see an island from my hotel room. You go now, Pook. Wait, I will make it big here. The B part. Can you read this? The B part here? Po, can you hear me po? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So, can you read the B part po? Here?
Irony is really good, but I wish I was better at speaking English.
Yes. And here I reply, I'm making French, which is good because sometimes you have to do projects at together. Go on, Pook. Can you hear me, Pook? Can you read this? This second B?
Yeah.
Okay, go on.
Some different when we stay together or afternoon.
Yes, and here, later today, we're going to play football in the park behind our classroom. So here, Pook, you next?
We usually have lunch. We usually have lunch. We usually have lunch in a cafe that's only 10 meters from the sea.
Oh, and the grown-ups aren't as busy as us. They just sit in the sun for most of the day. Boring. And here, you next, Pook?
And some older children in the pool and we stay together on afternoon.
Yes, and at the end of the day, the school lets us choose between sports and watching movies. My listening has really improved because of all the films I've seen here. So you next book?
In the evening, we- the grown-up aren't as busy as us. They just sit in the sun for most of the day. Boring.
Oh, here, this part po. Can you read this? The last B.
In the evening, we walk down the road to the sea and sing songs around fire. I never feel alone here.
Oh, that's right. And Okay, we already done our conversation between Fred and Anna. So now let's listen to Paul talking about his day. So here, what can you see about the picture book? What can you see? What can you observe in the picture?
I see two people. I see Paul was king.
Yes, that's right. He is king. Now let's learn about um what Paul talking about his day.
51E. Here's my news. Listen to Paul talking about his day.
Hello, my name's Paul. I'm going to tell you about my school day. Well, my house is about 2 kilometers away from my school, but I live at the top of a mountain. I wake up at 7 o'clock, and I always have to put on warm clothes because it's cold up here. In winter, I always have a hot breakfast because it can be very, very cold outside. There are no bus stops near my house, so I use the ski lift to go down the mountain to my school in the village. But when there's snow, I put on my skis and ski down the mountain to school. I love going to school that way. There are 15 students in my class, and I'm not the only person who comes down the mountain to school. Jane, the girl who sits next to me in class, comes on a dog sledge with her brother and sister. My favorite lesson is geography, and I also like maths. I'm good at sport, too. I'd like to be a ski teacher or to be part of my country's ski team one day. School finishes at 4:15. Sometimes after school, I go to a friend's house in the village. In winter, I have to carry my skis over my shoulder. Then I take the ski lift up the mountain to go back to my house.
Oh, so we heard Paul's talking about his day. So, based on what we heard, book. So, what does Paul do if it is so cold?
Oh, it's hot, hot, hot food.
Yes, that's right. He will eat a hot food if it is very cold. Here, our next activity or next last activity for this lesson is write about your school or news. Or can you share what is your going to school story book? Can you share it to me? What did you do before you go to school and going to school?
It, I
Go on, you can try. What is the first thing you do in the morning?
I play soccer. I
What
play
is
soccer.
Oh, you play soccer if you are in the school or if you are with your friends. But I asked if before you go to school, what will you do? First thing in the morning. Wait, 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 wait. Can you share to me what you always do before going to
I eat breakfast.
Oh, you eat breakfast, and after you eat
And
breakfast,
and but on my uniform.
oh, you wear your uniform. Did you after your breakfast, did you brush your teeth, Book?
Yes.
Okay, very good. And did you drink milk, Book?
No.
Okay, you don't drink milk. And after you wear your uniform, you will go to school. Is it
Yeah.
right? Oh, so what does you ride going to school? Ride. What do you ride? Do you ride a bus, a car, or a motorcycle?
But the car.
Oh, a car. And if you are arrive at the school book, so you will go to your classroom.
Yes.
Okay, so that is what is your routine before you go to school. Now we will proceed to our next one. So we have here, can you read our next topic for today, Book?
What a question.
Okay. So we have here, can you read the instruction for this lesson, for this first activity, Book?
Each question we got from the box.
Very good. So can you read the words here inside of the box?
How often? What kind? How long? What? Who? Have you ever? How? Which? How many? Whose?
Very good. So here in the first sentence we have the example. So can you read our example here, Book?
Who is your luckiest friend?
Very good. So here our next sentence. So what is the missing word to this from this? What is the missing word?
How often?
Yes, how often? Very good. And how often? So can you read the complete sentence, Book? Here, can you read it? The whole sentence?
How often do you go online?
Very good. So the book, do you have online account? Do you have FB account, Twitter account? Oh, wait. Do you have a social media account? Here.
Bạn có tài khoản mạng xã
Yes.
hội không?
Do you have it,
No.
book? Okay, no. And here, our next is, oh, so what is the missing word here in our next sentence? From this box, what is the word? The missing word here.
Have
What?
you ever had you um
So what is the missing word here, book?
no no
Okay, how? And what is the next word? How? The next word of how.
Long.
Oh, so is
Long.
it very good? How long? That's right, book. How long? So can you read the full sentence here?
How long have you been in this class?
Very good. So you have two perfect sentence that you correctly identify the missing word. So here, the fourth one, what is the missing word here?
How long have you been on teacher's time?
What? What is the missing word for this book?
How long?
How long?
Yes.
How? It starts with a how book, is it right?
Yes.
How, and the next word is
Long.
what? Long? Is it the long or how many?
How long?
Oh, how long? We already answered the how long book.
How many?
Oh, many. That's right. It is the many. Very good. So, can you read it book our full sentence here?
How many times have you been on teacher's day?
Very good. So here the next one is what is? Can you guess what is the missing word here?
It is
What is the word?
wh- which instrument do you prefer? The drums, the guitar, on the violin,
So what is the
and the
word book?
violin.
Yes, the violin. So what is the word book here? The missing word, da? Can you say it again?
Which
Very good. The witch. Because he is asking, or the person is asking what is the prefer or like instrument, musical instrument. So here in the sixth sentence, so can you guess what is the missing word here?
how many?
How many? We already done answering the how many book.
How?
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 The word is how? I guess it's not. Okay, so I will just mark.
What?
Yes, that's right. What scored a goal in important match? Okay, what? Okay. What? So, can you read this book? The complete sentence? Can you read it, book? The complete sentence here?
What score a good role in an important match?
Very good. So, we already answered the sixth sentence here in this activity. So, we have three sentences left. And it's already time, book. End of our lesson for today, and good job for answering the first, second, and our third activity for this new lesson and the previous lesson we discussed in previous class. So overall, good job. So I will say my goodbye to you today's class book. Bye bye book. Good night.
Well,
Bye bye. Good night. Have a great day ahead.